Hi, and welcome to this Portworx demo, where we'll demonstrate the new Copilot capabilities that have been added to Pure1. Pure Storage customers have been accustomed to having access to their fleet of storage solutions across all environments through the Pure1 interface. And now, Pure1 also includes your Portworx-enabled Kubernetes clusters as well. While Pure1 Analytics already provides visualization, filters, and dashboards for monitoring and managing your storage, a new feature called Copilot takes us a step further by transforming how you access and understand your data in the Pure1 interface. Copilot uses generative AI to provide a natural language interface for answering complex questions about your Portworx clusters. Now there's no need to search through dashboards or run manual queries to obtain information about your Portworx storage environments. This means you can simply ask questions in plain language, just as you would to a colleague, and get information directly from your Pure1 environment or our extensive documentation. Let's see Copilot in action. From the Pure1 interface, we can see the new AI Copilot screen, along with an input field for us to ask questions, or we can use some of the suggested questions that have been categorized for us. For example, if we select Cloud Native Storage, we'll see some sample questions specifically about our Portworx clusters. For our first test, let's simply have Copilot show us all our Portworx clusters by clicking the suggested action, Show All Portworx Clusters. Copilot uses generative AI combined with the telemetry information provided by your own clusters to give you an intelligent result. In this case, Copilot returns the 2 Kubernetes clusters in my fleet, along with some additional information about them. Now that we can see our clusters, we can ask some context-sensitive questions about them, like show me the largest volumes across clusters. Copilot will again use the telemetry information to provide a report about the largest volume in either of our clusters. We can then ask which nodes are the most heavily utilized, and Copilot again will provide us with answers. By using Pure1, we eliminate the need to run individual queries on each cluster and then combine the results into a single report. Pure1 has a centralized view of all of our Portworx inventory. But Copilot isn't limited to just our telemetry data. It's also trained on the Portworx documentation, so you can query for details about your software versions or best practices. This can be really helpful for things like upgrades. So for example, I might first query my existing fleet and see what versions of Portworx I'm currently running. Let's create a new chat by clicking the plus sign. Notice that our chat history is stored on the right side of the screen, so we can always go back to previous chats if needed. Now let's ask Copilot to show us the release notes for one of our Portworx Enterprise versions. Copilot provides us with an intelligent answer based on our documentation. You can also ask it questions like how to enable features such as autopilot, which is our capacity management feature. Copilot will provide you with some information and links to where you can learn more. With the new Copilot feature added to Pure1, Portworx customers can now interrogate their Kubernetes clusters across all environments to receive quick, actionable insights. And if you want to dive deeper into what Pure Storage has to offer, check out Pure360. It's your hub for quick overviews, expert-led walkthroughs, and interactive demos to help you get more out of your infrastructure.